All right, hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. First, of course, let's talk about Bitcoin. Finally got some legit ETFs trading in the Bitcoin space. Bitcoin ending the day right at all-time highs, slightly under all-time highs. A lot of questions today is, are we exploding straight to 100,000 from here? Is there going to be a flush? Really, this is no man's land. Okay, my take on Bitcoin and crypto, and this has been the take for years, is don't trade it. Dollar cost average it. This is the best asset to own over the next 10 years, hands down, in terms of a risk speculative asset. The price of 100x returns over the next 10 years is being able to withstand 70% volatility. So I think if you're going to trade, I think there's easier things to trade. And you make money trading, you put it into crypto. So for me, I'm just continuing to dollar cost average. I will dollar cost average if it's at 70,000 or if it's at 50,000. I fully expect this time next year, this time 2 years from now, this time 5 years from now, Bitcoin is going to be higher. That's what a speculative investment is. You just hold on to it. So that's Bitcoin. And so as we head into this week, what's the biggest thing to look? So the biggest thing, I think we just got to be cognizant of, because it's easy to get caught up in, the excitement and, the market's going up again and Tesla's rallying and everybody's going up. So I'm a huge fan of just kind of, history. History doesn't repeat itself, but it oftentimes rhymes. But just kind of keep an eye on where we were. So this is September, October last year, and this is September, October this year. So, you got 2020, and then this is 2021. So 2020, we had this huge rally at the end of August. We had a flush move in September. We rallied back 786 at point number 1, and that's where we are now. We had the big decline. You can see here in September, just like we had here, and then we rallied in this case into about second week in October. That's exactly where we are here. So we're at point number 1, give or take. So I think over the next couple of days, the market tops out and we roll over and we get a pretty big sell-off. I think it's possible we take out these lows, and then sometime in November, we get a massive weekly buy signal and we rally into March. Now, is that going to play out exactly like that? Now, the market's going to do whatever it wants, and it's very possible I'm dead wrong and we're at new all-time highs next week. But this is what I'm looking for. And so when I do something like this, against the 786, I can establish shorts, and basically at that point, your stop loss is either you trade small and you make new all-time highs the stop, or as I like to do is you get a break below the low of the high bar and then just place a tight stop at the highs. And then that way, here it's like, you had the spike high, and then, once you kind of came down and break the low of the high bar, and then you place your stop and then you just let it go. And so the nice thing about this is you're risking 1 to make 10. So I would just say that, if you are long, I would be careful here. Obviously you want to take profits. And if you want to play the short side, which frankly is hard, but this is the pattern I'm looking to see play out. And, if it doesn't play out this week, I'll know then it's not going to work. But, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it should kick in. And I'm anticipating loading up on shorts into the weekend and playing a flush next week. And so it won't be dull by any stretch. All right, you guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.